tell me a story? Once upon a time, there was a lovely lady. And what did she do for a living? She was a guardian, a protector. She roamed her property. She kept out all the outsiders. Yes, and she was magnificent at her job. Yes, thank you, lady, for this interview. And what some of your... Oh, really? Oh, you're better than that? You're the queen of your domain? Oh, excellent. Thank you, lady, for this interview. It has been most interesting. Yes, informative. All right. Thank you very much. And goodbye. Say goodbye.